Chef Chocolate! Hi Chef Chocolate, welcome to the Cake Boutique.
This is Elif Peki.
And this is Sarah. What are we gonna bake today? Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Yeah. So we are doing the liners right now. There you go. Good job. Now we are done with the first step. Are you ready to crack an egg? We're gonna hit the egg and we're gonna open this. Now we're gonna add our sugar. Put it in there. There you go. You ready for the flour?
It's like red, white, the same, right?
Yeah, they're all white, huh?
Shoveling snow.
Yeah, we might shovel snow tomorrow. We have to make sure that everything is mixed well, right? Okay, now it's time to mix our sugar and egg. So, are you ready for that? Did you mix that well? Okay. Okay, can you open those for me and put it in here? Can you pour this in there for me? I'll push it, it's fine. I'll push that with my finger.
It's sinking.
It's sinking, that's what we want. Let's pull this up. Okay. So we're gonna make sure it's mixed well. What do you think is this one? Milk? Do you think we should put in there? I think so. Let's put in some of them here. What do you think about making a cupcake? Do you think it's easy?
Uh-oh. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Well, he is very focused what he's doing, so yeah. I can't blame, right? You have to be focused. So we're ready now to put our batter in the liner.
batter.
There you go.
Yes.
Take this now. Okay. One. So while these are baking, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start decorating the cupcakes we baked already, right?
What color would you like? Is orange good for fall?
I think so. It's gonna be
Cupcake?
best. Yeah. And then we can use some candy corn.
Yeah, you can use some
there you go. The
sprinkles.
candy is the key word.
yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, I see it. It's like
Do you want
the
one?
ticket.
I'm sure you want one.
I got you. I got that trick. Yeah.
I need my sweet so I can
Go into my
work.
mouth. Yeah. Got the energy now. Let's go.
There you go. Now we can roll. How's that? I think it's good, right? Let's do one more. What do you think? You like it? All right. Is it good? One more. Do you think they're gonna like this? Yeah, our customer, I think they will like it. Looks beautiful. Okay, which one? Candy cane maybe? Did you get a candy cane there? No? So pick your color. Which one you want, red or white? You wanna ask Miss Edith one more candy cane? This one? There you go. You want her put or you wanna put? There you go. Where's that coming?
it
Oh
doesn't
my
come
gosh! I did not see that coming.
Yeah.
There you go. Enjoy it. All right. So, are you happy with the decoration for this one, or one more? One more.
Gingerbread. Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you want to say? How was the baking a cupcake today? Was it fun? Which one you like the most? Cracking the egg, or putting the ingredients together, or decorating the cupcake? Decorating cupcakes is always winner.
There you go. Need more energy.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to tell the other kids come and decorate cupcakes? Huh? For Thanksgiving or Christmas? For Christmas, I know,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Well, hope to see you here again.
You want to come back again? We need a helper always. Okay, what do we say? Chef Chocolate, thank you so much for coming and joining us. You want to say bye-bye? Bye, Le Cake.
Here
Well,
you
you
go.
go on the camera.
Bye.